What if I told you there's an Indian small cap stock that has doubled in just 6 months? A company that builds submarine periscopes, spy cameras for satellites, and now drone killing interceptors. This is PARAS Defense, one of FY26's biggest multi-baggers. Let's break it all down. The fundamentals, the technicals, and what made this stock shoot up in the last year. Stick around to the end. First, what exactly is PARAS Defense? This is not an average defense stock. PARAS is a niche monopoly machine. It's the only company in the entire Asia-Pacific region that manufactures submarine periscopes. It's the sole Indian private firm making hyperspectral cameras for space missions. And it's the only domestic provider of turnkey electromagnetic protection. In a sector full of giants, PARAS owns the specialist corners nobody else can touch. That's a real moat. Now let's talk about that jaw-dropping rally. From its March low of 580, the stock exploded to an all-time high of 1443. That's up over 100% in 2026 alone and around 120% in just 6 months. At one point, it jumped 28% in 3 trading sessions. This has been a runaway freight train, but every train needs fuel. So what's driving it? The fuel starts with the numbers. For the full year FY26, revenue jumped 31% to 478 crore. Net profit surged 40% to 88 crore. But the real fireworks were in the fourth quarter. Revenue up 58% and profit up a staggering 89% year-on-year. That was the company's highest ever quarterly revenue and profit. Look at this 3-year growth curve. This is a business accelerating, not just riding hype. Where does this money come from? 2 engines. Engine 1, optics and optronic systems, the periscopes, the space cameras, precision optics. Engine 2, defense engineering, electronics, electromagnetic protection and heavy engineering. And it was defense engineering that drove the FY26 surge with its profits multiplying. 2 diversified engines both firing. Now the catalyst. On June 30th, PARAS signed an exclusive license to build the Guardian 1 interceptor in India, a high-speed battery-powered drone killer. PARAS already had soft kill jamming and spoofing. Guardian 1 adds hard kill, physically destroying drones out of the sky. Now they can pitch a complete multi-layered anti-drone shield to the armed forces. The stock jumped 9% on the news. That being said, it's only a 12-month license. Zoom out and the tailwind is enormous. India's defense production just hit a record 1.78 lakh crore, up 15.6%. Exports hit an all-time high too. PARAS sits right in the defense electronics sweet spot. Its order book stands near 986 crore. That's roughly 2 times annual revenue. Solid visibility, though it is smaller than some peers. Recent wins from BEL and L&T keep the pipeline flowing. Who owns this company? The founders are all in. Promoters hold 53% with 0 shares pledged. That's a big green flag. Foreign investors nudged their stake up to 5% last quarter. But notice this, mutual funds hold just over 1%. Domestic institutions haven't fully bought the story yet. This is still very much a retail and FII-driven ride. Okay, time for the reality check. PARAS trades at a price to earnings ratio north of 115. Meanwhile, its return on equity is just around 11%. That is an extreme valuation for those returns. One analyst even has a price target of 703, implying serious downside from here. The bottom line, a lot of future perfection is already included in this price, so tread carefully. So let's settle it. The bull case, a debt-free, founder-led company, niche monopolies, accelerating profits, a hot new drone business, and the strongest sector tailwind in history. The bear case, a nosebleed valuation, an order book that's modest for the price, a drone deal with no disclosed value and only a 12-month term, and a stock that's technically overbought after doubling. Your job is to decide which one wins. Here's my bottom line. PARAS Defense is a fantastic business wrapped in a very demanding price. The story is definitely there, but the stock is pricing in years of flawless execution. If you're buying here, you're betting on perfection. Now, this is analysis, not financial advice, so always do your own research. If this breakdown helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one, and thanks for watching.